Alright guys, I'm just going to bring a quick video to you guys here about stapling your coins and which stapler you use, and if you use the wrong or the least ideal stapler, a way that you can fix it. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the two ways your stapler could staple is the traditional way like this, where it curves the staples, or your stapler could flatten out the staples like this, where they're like flat lines. So if your stapler, let me line this back up, if your stapler staples the other way where they're flat, you're okay. But if they staple like this, then what ends up happening whenever you line them all up like this is they take up more room and you're not able to squish them in as easier. So these right here are all stapled the correct way. And I can, as you can see, they give a lot, and I can push them in, and all of these coins right here is about the amount that's right there. Actually, there's a lot more right here than there is right here, and so you're just able to pack them in a lot more, and you can easily just pull them out without them sticking together. And with these, sometimes they end up pulling out another one, and they're hard to get back in. The staples clamp on against each other. See, it takes more effort to push it in and try and work it back into its spot. So if you do use the staples like this, where they're curved, well, you can fix that is by taking some pliers like this, and let me hold the camera like this to show you guys. You can just take the pliers and clamp it down on the edge here. Be careful you don't clamp the coin or mess up the coin if it's something that's more fragile, like maybe an older coin or something that could be easily messed up. And just keep clamping them down like this. Every staple. Kind of hard for me to do it the way I'm holding the camera here, so it's taking me a little while, but you can do this very fast. And so now they're all flat. So it would be like if I used the other stapler, and then I can put this back into here very easily, and it doesn't get stuck at all, and it's just like the rest of them. So I will leave a link in the description for a stapler that staples with flat staples and doesn't have these curved ones. I ordered one and I'm getting it for Christmas. So the only stapler I have right now staples like this. But I am going to get a new one because it is an aggravating hassle to have to clamp all of these down. So just wanted to make a quick video showing you the most ideal way to staple your coins in these 2x2 flips. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I hope this helped you, and bye.